Stakeholders are complaining of a shortage of labor that is impacting the agriculture sector. It has widened the talk of possibly importing workers. However, at least one sector player believes Jamaican farms couldn't attract international labor even if we tried.
There is more debate about the possible importation of labor, this time for the country's agriculture sector. Speaking with the Gleaner, head of the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, Winston Simpson, says that labor shortages for farms have reached a critical tipping point. He told the Gleaner that labor is a serious issue as farms cannot get anyone to work. He noted that for some of Jamaica's farms, the terrain cannot be mechanized. Jamaica Agricultural Society boss Lenworth Fulton says while the concern is valid, importing labor for our primitive agricultural practices does not make sense.
So yes, we need labor, but I don't think it's that for agriculture. We can answer that by importing labor. Where are you going to put them and what are you going to pay? We have been, when we talk about the importation of labor, it made me tremble because it was the genesis of importation of labor that caused slavery. Do we have barracks to put them in? Do we have a system to give them work permit so that they are not disadvantaged here?
Mr. Fulton further noted that the country's agricultural sector also needs significant improvements.
We need to look on our farms, many of them too small. So there is an opportunity for the government to use their agri-park concept and their AIC and their other land agencies to make land of commercial size available to our farmers so that they can be modernized.
He also bemoaned the lack of financial assistance for the sector, noting that, unlike other sectors, it's harder for farmers to get loans.
Farmers can't continue to farm without they have access to loan and financial assistance. I'm not talking about government gifts because we cannot run an economy by giving away the tax dollar to any subsector. It must come in the form of a loan that you can work and take back. If not, we are going back in the same cubbyhole that we were in FinSAC, and we don't want to go back there.
Herman Green, TVJ News.